Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Vintage Car News. Good to see my followers. Well, today we have an exclusive car. I guess you guys know what it is. You guys heard about the movie Back in the Future? DeLorean. That's a crazy machine. Back in the days, I grew up watching this movie so many times. This movie came out in 1985. This is a great movie. Look at the engine. If you have a chance, you know about this movie pretty much. This car is the movie who played the actor Martin McFly, who drove this car in the movie. And this car has a lot of horsepower. This car using to travel 130 years of a hill valley. That's crazy. From 1985 to 2015. This car, it's a beautiful piece of car. Wow, they replicate this car the same as in the movie. This one have a lot of, it's similar to a Tesla. You see the engine of the Tesla? Well, this car is pretty much, so this car even came up with that computer engineering before the Tesla came out with. So imagine back in the 80s using the Tesla computerizing system, which is crazy. And even to today, this car is awesome. I would trade no car for this one for sure. Even the interior, look how neat it is. Look at the Lambo door, the way how it opened it. This is a machine. It's not even a car. It's totally a machine to travel. Oh, it's crazy. It does 88 miles per hour, which is 141 kilometers per hour, which is a lot. Look at this body. Look at the, it's an aluminum body shape. Look at the, I don't know what to tell you. This car is, when I saw it, I had to record it because I don't see it often in the street. Look how authentic, original. Look how nice it is. Wow. What else I could tell you more about this car? This car, it's a piece of jewelry, in my opinion. Okay? All right, now we're getting something to a different level. This is a huge tank. Wow, this was built for the World War II or the Vietnam War. Look how huge is. I can imagine that thing could kill you in 1 second. It's the military base tank. Look how the wheels, metal, so heavy. This used to walk on top of the sand, the stone. It destroyed everything on the road. You could see how heavy it is. A lot of tones, a lot of, my God, I don't know how this car could drive. Nowadays, if this car drive in the street, it's probably damaged the whole street only by the weight. Wow, this is a real powerful machine for the Terminator. Anyway, I really hope that you guys get to enjoy the front. They have a missile. It's very rusty, but you could see it's a huge 32 tons. Wow, 48 kilometers per hour. Built in 1949. Whoa, that's a humongous. I hope you guys like the video. Give 2 thumbs up, leave a comment below, and follow for more video. Take care.